Now, imagine a universe just like Flatland, truly two-dimensional, and entirely flat in every direction, but with one exception. Unbeknownst to the inhabitants, their two-dimensional universe is curved into a third physical dimension, maybe into a sphere, but at any rate, into something entirely outside their experience. Locally, their universe still looks flat enough, but if one of them, much smaller and flatter than me, takes a very long walk along what seems to be a straight line, they're covered entirely outside their experience, entirely outside their experience, entirely outside their
it and the other the punch and thumb. The fact of the matter, I'm bigger and badder, I couldn't be unsung. I beg all these rappers, investing the addicts instead of your mum's drum. Done, dipping out of that dumb little man thing. I can't be risking all of that shit if I'm on a mission trying to be the king, that's kinda dumb. Done digging in a rock, trying to see a something shinier than what I'm digging with. Disciplining and I vision it. Bigger fish, they wanna mirror it. I'm not a copycat, but the classmates one copy. Man, I had to camouflage a little bit. I felt a little violated if I'm honest. And a nigga looking at me in the wrong way. It's going one way. I'm on a runway. I'm on a plane now. I'm going somewhere. They wanna level with me. That someday I'm on big business. Go with a pen and pad. They couldn't mirror this. The man a little man. The man's a little fish. I'm kinda oceanic. Did you get my drink? They wanna dip. Do something on the high street in a new something. That's my wave. I recruit what I spend. I ain't really trying to lose nothing. I'm done. Done. Hey, you know what? The whole thing done. The whole thing done. The whole thing
Done. Diggity done. Look at the thumb, look at the gun, look at them run. Back in the tracks, back in the basement, back in the rap, back in the trap, back in the Mac in the back of the act. What happened to rap? Can happen to you, I just happen to rap. And this where it's happening at, we're rapping this back. I'm asking what happened to that? Too many flashing it back, two in the fashion and racks, two on your back, or doing your 2.5. Cause y'all wasn't doing the math. This algorithm, just a fraction, I'm so efficient. While in addition, I'm subtracting they whole division. With precision, written by yours truly. Who he, old schooly, freshmen do not move me. Nothing to prove, when you ain't got nothing to lose. You fools, you would be nothing but boo, cause I ain't got nothing to do. Methods to do, if the room is lit, I'm setting the mood, setting the rules, turn a vegan to a vegetable.
Done. Hey, you know what? The whole thing done. Lying from the whole thing done. The whole thing done. Hey, trapping and racking up, stashing the article, shackles in Attica, Asifa, back in the traffic in Patty, and rap at don't interrupt, man. You know when it's bad enough. Tryna catch up with that, swagger this, you know. Me now she they talk with her, with a quality camera, puffing the ananas, man, ain't nobody better me. I'm on the swagger, then I got the energy, enemy better be ready for all of the bad man. Me, myself, and I, look how I multiply. Look at the rising tide, look at them try to fight. Look them behind the eye, and a rap attack them. Pick a pattern, I will batter them. Ineffective with your chatting, inefficient with your stamina. In denial, they should pack it in. Inappropriately not having, independently embarrassing. Introverted, so arrogant. It's apparent you ain't managing. It's apparent you are stammering. It's apparent you are panicking. It's apparent you are parroting. It's apparent you are pain. I never saw such a mug in my life, and I don't wanna see you again. The M and the E and the T and the H and the O and the D ain't the same. So bring it to Wizzy or Meth on the track, and we're talking the frame in the pave. The thing done. Hey, you know what? The whole thing done. Lying from the whole thing done. The whole thing done. The whole thing done.
Fuck. Fuck yeah, cracking the cold one with the boy, know what I'm saying? Duok dar jau.
I used to jump on the mattress, then I used to hum on the mattress. My grandma kept the gun in the mattress. My uncle kept fools in the mattress. Flipping the work like gymnastics. Bitchin' the crack it do backflips. Popo was flipping the mattress. Psycho gun in the mattress. Grandma passed it and he blasted. I came on your bitch, I'm a savage. She stretching my dick like elastic. She better disappear like magic. Bellbows stuffed in the mattress. Came a long way from the mattress. Used to lay on the rug like a lion. Yeah. Now I'm like kick, touch. You cuffin' that bitch, but she smuttin'. She fucked the whole block, I ain't bluffing. Trap lord, meet it in the mud. Wake them niggas up like buzzers in a car. Jack, go, don't ever let it get fucked. Came a long way from the mattress. Oh, I used to jump on the mattress. And I used to hump on the mattress. My grandma kept the gun in the mattress. My uncle kept O's in the mattress. Flipping the work like gymnastics. Pitching the crack it to backflips. Hobo was flipping the mattress.
Did backflips on the mattress. Did mad shit on the mattress. Where the magic happens on the mattress. 2 ratchet fat chicks on the mattress. A nigga stash G's in the mattress. Fucking all these bitches on the mattress. Bending all these bitches over backwards. LSD in the acid.